Life moves fast, and sometimes so does the mess. One late payment turns into guilt. One forgotten subscription becomes shame. And before we know it, our money feels like a monster in the closet. The first step is to sort. Ask yourself, what's essential? What's noise? Cut the waste. Cancel the fluff. Keep what supports your peace. Then, set an order. Give everything a place. Bills have a schedule. Savings have a system. Your time, it gets to be yours again. Shine isn't about being spotless. It's about consistency. A monthly check-in, a quiet moment, a deep breath before you click review. When you standardize your money habits, you free up brain power for the stuff that really matters. Date nights, kid laughs, sleep. Sustain is the secret. It's not about perfection. It's about not giving up. Especially when no one's watching. 5S is more than a framework. It's your reset, your path to clarity, your permission to build a life that's not ruled by chaos, but by choice. I'm Anthony-doty, and if you're ready to clean up your money and clear out the stress, let's do this together. Book your free session. Your peace is waiting.